Hello guys, welcome back to the another video of iDempiere learning. Today we will learn how we can create product in the iDempiere. We will create product using basic configuration. Okay. So let's create one product in the iDempiere. Okay. So let's log in the iDempiere, enter user and password and click OK. We have created this YouTube user in the previous few video. You can check that how we can configure our one client in the iDempiere. Okay, we have also created BP in the iDempiere. Okay, so let's create product. Okay, to create product we have to navigate to product window. Okay, and click on product window. Okay, here we have to pass product related information. Okay, suppose let's create product like we have YouTube company, so let's create product like subscription product 1. Okay, and give name. Okay, here we can select our product category. Okay, whatever product category we want to give for this product. Okay, we can create our own category also. Okay, we have to select text category also, UM and product type. Okay, I will keep this value same. Okay, and if it is stock product, then we have to select this stock flag. Okay, and if this product is a bomb product, then we can select this flag, and this will show one subtab. Okay, bomb subtab. Here we have to create all the component for this product. Okay, let me simply deselect it and okay, and save. Okay, or we just need to create a price for this product to use in the product or acquisition or invoice. Okay, let me just give list price like 10. Okay, we have to give standard price and we have to pass limit price for this. Okay, let's enter like 5. Okay, and click on save. So like this we can create a product in the iDempiere. So hope guys you like the video. Let's connect again for the next video. In the next video we will create a requisition and purchase order. How we can create we will learn how we can create a requisition and purchase order. Okay.